Yo! What up, guys? Today we're going to be going to one of our favorite grilled cheese places near where we live. It's called Melt Grilled Cheese. If you guys live in Toronto or near Toronto, go check it out because it's so good. You can get like poutines and things like that, and yeah. So we're going to drive there. You can quickly watch, and we'll see you soon. We're back. Alright, we're here. We've parked. It was a long journey.
Very long.
We're gonna quickly let our camera charge because our battery died right as we got here. We're gonna go get our food and we'll be back to eat it in the car. Alright, guys, we are back. We just went to Melt Grilled Cheese. They didn't sponsor us, but they're freaking delicious.
The varieties you can get there. Oh my god. I'm so excited.
We got a couple little things, a couple little goodies. Oh, this is a hot poutine. Delicious though. Holy. Alright, I'm gonna put that there. So I am plain. I just got a classic grilled cheddar with bacon in it.
Not one, but two.
Two. If I eat it all, that will be an answer we can answer later.
I don't know how to go about this. I may have to split it open. I got a mac and cheese with grilled chicken strips. Oh my god.
That looks so good. Oh, alright. Going in.
Oh, here's mine. Get it in the light. Get it in the light here. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Mac and cheese and a little bit of chicken. Also has some sriracha ketchup in it. I'm crazy. I'm just going to add some hot sauce. Some Louisiana hot sauce.
Wow, this is actually really good. Obviously. It's melt.
Melts your heart with cheese and diabetes.
Oh. Well, that makes me sad.
Oh, that's actually hot.
Your ketchup.
Oh, that's my ketchup?
Yeah.
I thought you got two.
No, I got one for each of us.
Oh.
I don't know if you want any.
Oh well.
This is amazing. Thank you, Melt. So how spicy is that hot sauce?
1 to 10, I would give it a 7.
Okay.
Like, there's a kick. I mean, if you had enough of it, it would definitely burn your mouth a bit. But it's not a thing of, like, it's unenjoyable, the spice. Still a good tasting spice.
My poutine. I'm so sorry for everyone that doesn't have poutine.
I'm not. More for us.
That's a sad life. Look how... Oh my gosh. Wow. This is a lot. This is amazing.
Food makes me
Wow.
happy. Do we have the one Pepsi or?
Nope, there's two. Just figured we'll finish that one first, then cracks a second. I would love a sip.
Okay.
Cheers.
Oh! Oh, fuck.
You made a mess everywhere.
My mom's gonna kill me.
Oh my god. How much freaking hot sauce do you need?
How much do you need? Much more.
It drips off.
Love it.
You're freaking crazy.
Louisiana, baby. Gotta love it.
What would you rate this grilled cheese right now?
Well, with my, education in bread, would love it to be a little bit more toasty. But other than that, the flavor, everything else, fantastic. So,
One point.
I've got an 8. Give it a solid 8. Hardcore 8.
I agree. The bread could have been toasted more. But it was really good.
I love it.
Another one. I'm so full already. Like savage. By the way, guys, I know it looks super dark outside. Well, we're in the car. But just take it in. It's only not even 5:30 p.m. here in Canada.
Canaders.
And the Canadas. And this is the bullshit we get to deal with, you know?
Main event.
This one's toasted better.
But
A little bit.
I like a little bit of a little bit of black.
I like it to be burnt. 100%. I'd rather something be overcooked than undercooked.
If it ain't black, that's whack. Wow, the spice actually messed up my tongue a bit. Like, it has that feeling of like, when you, like, oh my god, you get something out of the oven, like that hot temperature.
Like it burnt it. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me.
Cheesy goodness.
Hot. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess. Oh, yeah, I see the steam breaking out from the layer underneath their whole. Oh, my. Y'all, like for that cheese, though. Comment down below and tell us what your favorite type of cheese is. Heck yeah.
Gouda cheese, right?
The Gouda cheese? You like the Gouda cheese?
I like the Gouda cheese.
Not the bad cheese, the Gouda cheese.
Not Gouda, no, Gouda.
The Gouda. Here's the good one. So I finished like 1 1/4 grilled cheeses.
Are you gonna throw it out?
No. Heck.
What the way it's toasted and stuff, you can like just fry it a little bit more.
The way this man's is talking.
Booty popping.
I ain't talking, I'm just booty popping.
I'm hogging this, sorry.
No, you're good. Holy shit. Woo! Oh yeah, that's spicy. Not my jacket.
Yeah, I waste enough food. I'm not
But
gonna
I ate it.
I was like getting cold. Jeez, going through menopause.
Wow. I don't know if it's their fries or their gravy, but something about this poutine is like unique, and I love it. So,
no, I was just saying that it took us 30 minutes to get here, and it's gonna take us an hour to get back.
for grilled cheese.
Oh, you betcha.
I haven't even gotten a scoop.
Oh yeah. Oh. You got to mix the poutine up, you know, like a salad.
It's getting hot.
Oh yeah. You just been touching it for too long, girl.
Get you a man.
Now I can do both. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's actually hot. I burnt my lips, and now my lips are like open, and the spices are getting in.
You done?
With what, noises or the food?
The food.
We can't waste the poutine. We should have medium. Your eyes are bigger than your fucking ass. Yes.
Damn, I got a small ass, guys.
I'm a chipmunk.
Where are you now?
Yeah, I am.
Does that scare you, chipmunk?
Coming in to fuck your bitch.
Alvin, is that you? Oh wait, sorry, Theodore. Is that you?
Yeah.
Holy.
Oh my god. I'm trying to at least get all the cheese.
So you just leave me with fries and gravy?
No. Not at all.
Are you done?
I need breathers, okay?
Okay, I wasn't sure. You threw it at me like a savage.
Spike that down. Touch down. So basically, the whole downtown part of Toronto is
Just.
in construction.
Yep.
Yeah. And then, once you get out of the town part, it's all bluish. Kind of.
Yay.
And then it's yellow, and then it's blue, and then it's red, and then it's yellow, and then it's blue, and then it's yellow.
I feel like their grilled cheeses were bigger, like this time.
Oh.
Like the bread, like it looked like huge, but I could just be picturing it wrong.
I thought you were going to say, oh, they used to be big.
No, that was ginormous. Holy.
Wow.
Oh.
That's why I said make sure we get all the cheese.
The cheese is the good part. I'm not a Cheez-It.
You cheese whiz.
No.
Yeah, you're a whiz. You're a whiz, Perry?
Yep. Okay. Just kidding.
I'm actually going to vomit out my ears. Here you go.
Okay. Well, look at that. There's only that little bit left.
Oh.
We crushed it. Wow. Alright, guys. That was absolutely amazing. Like I said, I highly recommend going to Melt Grilled Cheese if you're ever walking around Toronto or you just want to try a cute little place to eat with your significant other. Aww, thanks for our date.
Oh,
Booby. Alright. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye. Have a good night.
Always distorted. Always distorted.